Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of NumPy and it is part 14. So guys, we are discussing NumPy operations and in this lecture I will explain you NumPy empty function and I will show you how to create an empty array in NumPy. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss this empty function. So guys, the empty function is used to create a new array of given shape and type with random values. The empty function actually fills the array with arbitrary values, or we can say garbage values. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of this empty function. So basically there are three parameters that specify the structure of the resulting array. First one is shape, second one is dtype, and last one is order. So by default dtype is float and order is C. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss these parameters one by one. So the first parameter is shape and it is required parameter. So the shape parameter specifies the shape of the array that you want to create. The shape is essentially the number of rows and the number of columns if you have a two-dimensional array. So the argument to shape will be an integer or a tuple of integers or a list of integers. If you only provide an integer value n, then output will be a NumPy array with n values. But if you provide a tuple or list of values n and m, then NumPy empty function will create an array with n rows and m columns. Moving further guys, so the second parameter is dtype. So this parameter is an optional parameter in this empty function, and this parameter specifies the data type of the data in the new array, and the default data type is float 64. And now moving further guys, and let's discuss last parameter, and that is order. So order is also an optional parameter, and this parameter defines the order in which the multi-dimensional array is going to be stored either in row measure or column measure, and by default the order parameter is set to C. So guys, now let's open the Jupyter notebook and I will show you the working of this empty function. So guys, now I will show you how do I create empty array. So that's why I have imported NumPy as np, and now I'm going to create an empty array. So let's do this. So guys, I have passed 5 in this empty function, and 5 is basically a shape parameter. So basically it will create a one-dimensional array of 5 elements, and all the elements will be arbitrary. And now if I print this even, it will give you the one-dimensional array of 5 elements, and all the elements will be arbitrary, and the data type of all these elements will be float 64. And now if you want to change the data type of these elements, you can by using dtype parameter. So let's do this. And now if I run this script, it will give you output like this. So now guys, I am going to create two-dimensional empty array. So let's do this. So guys, I am going to create a two-dimensional array of 2 cross 3. So now I am going to print this. So let's run this. So basically it is giving a two-dimensional array of 2 cross 3, and all the elements are arbitrary. And now I am adding dtype to this empty function. So let's add this parameter. And now if I run this script, it will give you output like this. And you can add one more parameter to it, and that is order. And if you set C to it, so it will give you row measure two-dimensional array. So now if I run this script, output will be like this. And now if I set F2 order and run this script, then it will give you output like this. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.